From veins to chapped lips, this tutorial is going to show you what Fast FX by Dermaflage can really do. This silicone-based product is one of the best and the easiest to apply. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you a demo on Dermaflage Fast FX. It is pretty much the grossest wound you could imagine in a tube. As you can see, the applicators have two chambers, part A, part B. Once they have combined, you have about a 5-minute period where they will cure and set. Beats using prosthetics, trust me. So they're super easy to work. You just twist the top off, and you have these little applicators which will combine part A and part B straight onto your skin. Or you can use a flat palette. They give you these mini tools where you can mix the product onto the palette and then sculpt it straight onto your skin using one of these bad boys. I actually really like using this one because it's so fine. You can do the finest little details onto your skin. Now these applications come in 3 different sets. This one is the Skin Effects, which is veins, chapped lips, and moles. Also comes in this set, which is pus, ooze, and infection. Yummy. And for the 3rd set, we have Inflamed, which I've been using a lot. It's a really decent color. Blood Red and Dried Blood. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to make burns, chapped lips, dry blood coming out of your nose, pimples, moles, boils, and what else did I say? Scars, yes. Watch this space. I hope you guys enjoy. If you have any questions, just comment below and I will get back to you. Dermaflage. Pretty excited. Firstly, I'm going to show you how the dried blood works. Squeeze out a tiny bit from the 2 chambers, mix it and apply. Super easy. Now using Inflamed for the scar, and then going around the edge of the scar just to blend it using one of the smaller tools that are supplied. This helps blend it into the skin and makes it look more realistic. Using the color Inflamed again, I start to work the base of my pimples. And then you add the pus. Yep, looking 14 years old again. And now this one's super easy, moles. You simply apply to the skin, however you want the moles to look. And to get rid of the shine, I tend to use a powdering finish. Now for doing my favorite one, the boils. Using ooze, I apply it straight to the skin. And then I go around the edge of the boils with Inflamed to make it look even festier. I don't know what it is about these boils, but I just really like doing them. It just grosses me out. Now the chapped lips. Very easy and simple to apply. You pretty much mix it up and put it on your lips. You can also use this chapped lips as flaky skin on other parts of your body. Now for some veins. Using the fine tip applicator, I apply it straight to my skin. I map out and shape out the veins onto my face. This part is fun. I love doing veins. Obviously these veins are going to be 3D and sticking out of the skin quite a bit. So to make them appear softer and under the skin, I add a little bit of powder by Dermaflage. The possibilities are endless when it comes to using the Fast FX by Dermaflage. You can really gross out some people. It looks so real. Obsessed with this product. Product removal is as simple as peeling it right off your skin. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Feel free to message me or comment below if you have any questions.